Hello guys, today in another short video about practical 3D printing, I want to show you a power chain or cable chain if you will, which is used to run wires and other components on CNC machines and printers. You can find a lot of these on the internet, but most of them are based too much on the original. This makes it difficult to print them, or they don't have enough strength. I tried to design my own model, which is easy to print. It's both strong and optimized for 3D printing. The final model was only successful in the 7th iteration. As you can see, at first the hinge was too loose, so it slipped. There was a problem with the cutout that caused the link to jam either at 90 degrees or straight. I also forgot about the cutout at the top for the cables, so when the chain bent, it had a tendency to snap the cables. But as you can see now, there is no problem to print the model with just a little support, and it works without any problem even at 70% scale. I upload the model to the links in the description, and I will be glad if you subscribe, like, or write a comment about how you liked the video. Bye and see you next time.